I think they all need to be registered for lifetime to protect our kids.
Tracy Schaefer is a mom and works with Upward Sports, a Christian-based youth sporting organization. She also does background checks on coaches, referees, and other volunteers who work with kids.
You know, I don't want a sexual predator out there on my fields with my kids.
Today's Ohio Supreme Court ruling applies only to Tier 3 juvenile sex offenders. Tier 3 is the worst of the worst. Ohio put the law in place in '07 as part of the Adam Walsh Act.
I have offenders who have been convicted of rape of the elderly.
Deputy John Baumgart is in charge of the registration for all of Fairfield County sex offenders. Today I caught up with him filming a show educating neighbors about sex offender registration. Last week, NBC4 went along with U.S. Marshals and Sheriff deputies as they checked on dozens of local sex offenders to see if their address matched their registration.
I do have some that think that they don't have to do what they're supposed to do as far as registering, being where they're supposed to be. And those are the people that I send back to prison. I send more of them back for that than for an additional sex offense.
The justices ruled this mandatory registration could hurt during juvenile rehabilitation and judges' discretion during sentencing, but could the new ruling also harm innocent children?
I believe they should be registered for life, and that's not cruel. That's just protecting the innocent people.
In Fairfield County, Rick Reitzel, NBC4.